What is going on, guys? Please like, subscribe if you enjoyed this video.
Well, hi guys.
Okay. Hey, what's going on, guys? So as I mentioned in part 1 of this video, we're trying to get this Range Rover Sport back on the road. I'll show a picture of the scanner. So it was showing as I mentioned, the ride height sensor in the front left on the driver's side. It was showing invalid communication with the ride height sensor. So I went and looked under and saw somebody had butchered the wires together. They were actually folded over and just wrapped in electrical tape. So I went ahead and fixed that, soldered it up, replaced it with an aftermarket ride height sensor because the actual Range Rover one costs about $100 more. So I'll probably replace it with a factory one in the future, but as for right now, I'm just trying to get this thing back on the road. Just to show you guys, it's super simple. There's a T-bit right up here. You can see it. It drops down this arm. And there's 2 T-bits, one here, there's one behind this arm. And the connector right there just needs to be removed. And you just swap it out and put the new one on. As you can see, I fixed up this wiring halfway decent. I'm gonna replace it again when I get a new connector, but yeah, I went ahead and swapped out for the aftermarket sensor just for the time being. So unfortunately, I replaced all that, and as you can see, it's still on the bump stocks. Suspension still all the way at the bottom. I still haven't reprogrammed that transfer case module. I still haven't reprogrammed that yet. That's going to be the next step. I was just trying to exhaust every option before I go pay that $400, right? I also noticed the connector was bad, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I fixed that. The wiring right before it goes into the connector. To my ride height sensor problem. So right here, where it goes into the connector for the ride height sensor, it's starting to separate right before the pin. So I'm gonna try to solder it up, see if that fixes our issue. You can see down in there. I just use a skinny file. Push that pin out, pull out on the wire. Came right out. And these little clips actually slide in and out on both sides to keep them in place. So. throwing a bunch of errors.
Oh, mommy, give me this.
And the ride height sensor still. And the ride height sensor, even though I replaced everything, is still showing invalid invalid voltages and settings. So I believe it needs a height calibration also. It may be from the module I used to replace it. It's already programmed in that module, so it may need a height calibration also. But that's where I'm at. So other than that, she runs great. I think hopefully once I get that module programmed, which will be the next step, hopefully it'll correct all the issues that it's having. I think it's really just a programming issue because it runs great, it drives great, and as I said, the suspension was working prior to replacing that module. So I think whatever's pre-programmed on that module is affecting it right now. But yeah, we're getting much closer. To getting this thing back on the road. And like I said, I found an independent shop that hopefully will do it for a little cheaper. So I'm gonna have it towed over there and see if they can help me out. So as you guys can see, I removed these two panels. There's a kicker panel here and here, underneath here. Inspected all this wiring. So, this was all wet down in here, but I went through each of the wires. They seem to be intact. I went through some of the connecting points, and everything seems to be good in order. So I'm gonna keep searching and put this all back together. Go from there. Yeah, this thing is like a puzzle. So I'm going back together. Getting there. Obviously, like any trim, you gotta do it piece by piece. So, yeah, how I got this trim back together in one piece without breaking anything, I do not know. Yeah, she just needs detailed and cleaned up a little bit, but she is all back together. You can see it's running and driving great. Sounds great. Everything works. Beautiful. Somebody had this interior immaculate. Yeah, that's it, guys. Unfortunately, I can't reprogram. Well, I could reprogram that module myself. The only issue is that tool. It's called a Gap IID tool. It's like $2,700 for the Pro version to be able to program that myself. I just can't justify buying that right now. I'll just spend the $200, $300, $400, take it to this indie shop and see if he can do it for me. I like to try to do everything myself because I know some of the shops aren't very trustworthy, but unfortunately I just can't justify spending that kind of money right now. So I'm gonna take it down there, see. As you can see, I inspected all the wiring, so everything else seems good. I'm just gonna try to get it reprogrammed. But thank you guys for watching, and please, if you like the video, like, subscribe, and I'll keep you guys updated on the progress. Thank you.
So, guys, so it can go on the road, but the suspension won't like go up, so we can't go fast on the road.
Yeah. I got it.
Kept making noise.
I got it. Thank you.
Mountain will stay out here.
We're recording.
Stay here.
Wait,
Stay here.
I need to get those socks.
No.
Take off them. So guys, we're building. Here we go.
Not right now.
Here we go. The suspension on the driver's side, on the back driver's side, is not working. So we can't go fast on the road, but we can drive on the road. Right. It's not your channel. It's Daddy's channel. So it's your channel, Daddy. Yeah, but we already did the intro. So guys, we're gonna fix this. The back suspension on the back side of the driver's side is like it. We can drive on the road with it, but the back but we can't go fast because the suspension is like broken, so it can't like go up.
What about my car? You broke.
Ty, don't touch that wire.
Come on.
What?